Hello, the IIK team is now advising you not only by phone but also in a Zoom video conference room. How it works when you are working on a desktop or on a notebook we will show you here. At first, please click on the link. If you use Zoom the first time, you will see the small window and you are asked to save the Zoom application file. Please click on the button Datei speichern. If you don't see the small window, please click on this link Zoom herunterladen und ausführen. After you have clicked on this link, the small window will open again, and then you have to save the file with the button Datei speichern. After you have saved the file, please double click on this file, or if you use Firefox as browser, you can click on the upper screen and click here on the Zoom file. If you have double clicked on the application file, another window will open and you will be asked if you will run the application. Please confirm and click on the button Ausführen. Now most of the work is done. You will see a new window and please enter your name in this form field. Therefore we can see what's your name when you enter the room. After you have filled in the form, please click on the button Dem Meeting beitreten. If you use a webcam, you will see in the next window yourself as in this video. You can choose now if you use a video with this button or don't use a video. Then click on this button to enter the room. Now you are in the waiting room. Please have a little bit patience. One of our employees will pick you up in the conference room. Once you have entered the conference room, you see one of our employees and the name of the employee, and you have to check your microphone on the symbol on the lower left side. Click on the drop-down menu and you can see what microphone you will use. If you have a headset, you should use the microphone of the headset. On the camera symbol Video beenden, you can click also on the drop-down menu and you can see which camera you are using. If you have maybe problems not to see your video, you can choose the right communication file. If you have any problems with communication or with the video, you can use the chat. Please click on the 3 points on the lower right side and then a chat will open and you can write your text message to our employees. So that's all. We hope that you are enjoying our conference room system. Bye bye, have a nice time.